We are hearing about the mid-range OnePlus Z right from the beginning of this year, and it looks like OnePlus is finally ready to launch this phone. According to Android Central, the OnePlus Z is launching on July 10th in India, which means just a month is now left for the launch. But this is not the only information that we got today. In fact, a survey might just have revealed the Indian pricing of the OnePlus Z. Some users of the Payback program got a survey where they were asked if they would purchase an unreleased OnePlus phone which is priced at just Rs 24,990. Along with the pricing, the specifications were also mentioned. These specifications include the Snapdragon 765 chipset, a 6.55-inch Super AMOLED 90Hz display, an in-display fingerprint scanner, a 4300 mAh battery and 30-watt fast charging. There is a quad camera setup on this phone that includes a 64-megapixel primary, a 16-megapixel ultra-wide and a 2-megapixel sensor. Finally, this phone has a 16-megapixel selfie camera placed in a punch hole cutout. Well, since the OnePlus Z is the only mid-range phone that the company is going to launch soon, there is no doubt that the survey is talking about the OnePlus Z. So now we know that the OnePlus Z is launching in India, what is the pricing for the Indian market and what are the specifications that this phone offers. And in case you missed it, we already know how the phone looks like. Now, this Indian pricing of Rs 24,990 is around $330 but as we saw in the case of OnePlus 8 series, OnePlus launches its phones at a lower price in India as compared to the price in other markets like the US. So if the OnePlus Z launches in other markets, it might launch at a slightly higher price than the Indian pricing. Well, if the information revealed by the survey is correct, then what is your opinion on the Indian pricing of the OnePlus Z? Do let me know via the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.